Hey, I'm Michael from Distro Mike, and today we're going to be talking about, does Delta 8 show up on a drug test? And the answer is yes. If you are subject to drug testing and you risk going back to jail, losing your job, getting kicked off of a sports team, do not by any means consume Delta 8, HHC, Delta 9, weed, nothing. Delta 8 is THC. While it may not be Delta 9 cannabis, it still is a Delta 8 THC, meaning it's going to affect your drug test just like any other type of cannabis product would. Now, there's some rumors going out there in the market that, oh, I can't smoke Delta 8, but maybe I can smoke HHC and pass a drug test. If you want to play it safe, don't even consume HHC. I know people that have smoked HHC and passed drug tests, but I also know people that have smoked HHC and failed drug tests. So if you want to be safe, do not consume any Delta products, any HHC products, nothing. So, does Delta 8 make you fail the drug test? The answer is yes. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions about anything CBD, vape, cannabis, or more, please let us know. We are Distro Mike, the educational hub for everything CBD, vape, and more. See you next time.